Fix blurry or pixelated text in Chrome. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Change the browser font. In some cases, your browser font might be set to something that looks blurry or pixelated, so changing it might help you resolve the problem. Click Customize Fonts. Here, you will see various sections for font selection, such as standard font. Change these settings and select fonts that do not look blurry and pixelated. Fix 2. Update your GPU drivers. Fix 3. Clear browser caches. Fix 4. Try Clear Type. The built-in Windows feature known as Clear Type allows you to set up and adjust the font to your liking. If you have several monitors, you can choose whether you want to adjust the text to all of them or just one. Fix 5. Enable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration option allows Chrome to use your graphics card for graphics-intensive tasks, which can relieve stress and produce better results in the long run, possibly fixing the blurry or pixelated text issue. Fix 6. Enable smooth edges.